Hello everyone, this is Rahil Khan and I hope you all are having a great day. And before starting this video, I would like to ask you to please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so you will never miss any kind of videos from me, and you will get the instant notification. Also, there is a link in the description to join my subscribing list, so you could get the emails from me. I always email my list, and I always email my subscribers about the best tips how to live the great life and how to find success in your career and things like this, which would help you to live a better life than others. So this is the thing what I'm doing, and I want your help and your support for this. So do subscribe to my channel and also to the email list. Okay, so in this video we are going to talk about the correct mindset. The mindset is the thing which if a person has a correct mindset, uh, different people have different kind of mindsets, and different mindsets take them to different goals. Okay, so if a person has a mindset, if a person is a student and he is doing some kind of studies, and after that he is doing he has plans that I will do these diploma and these courses and things like that, and then I will join this corporate and I will be working in this corporate, and will making my career with this corporate and this company, and I will be growing like this. And he have these kinds of career development thoughts. So by having these thoughts, this mindset will clearly and directly reflect on his career, on his future, on the wealth he is going to create, and on each and every step he is going to take. Okay, so if a person, like when I started my life and after completing my 10th grade, I had this clear goal that I will be doing the studies. That was my clear goal. At the age of 17, I passed out my 10th grade, and I had a clear goal that I need to make money. I didn't know about the online thing. Online thing was not there in 2005, but I had a clear goal. I need to make money, and I wanted to continue the studies, but I wanted to continue the studies on the secondary source, on the secondary. That was my secondary choice. It was mandatory that I wanted to complete the studies, but I wanted to make money. That was my first goal, and I was like eager when I before the examinations of 10th grade. I was getting very eager that how and when the examination will come, and when I will pass these 10th grade, and when I will start making money. So these was my goals at that time. And once you can think about it like I'm in a cage. I was in a cage. I was considering myself as I'm in a cage when I was in 10th grade, and I was waiting for the cage gate to be open and I will get free. So the 10th grade was kind of cage for me as I was considering it. So after passing it out, I was just looking for different kinds of job because I do not have any kind of skills, and 10th grade is not something like I would get a good job after passing the 10th grade. So I was finding this different all kind of job. My whole the goal was to make the money, and the secondary first goal was to make the money so I could save the money to invest in my business and to start some kind of business, because that was clear in my mind. And at the age of 17, when I passed this, I'm clearing it again and again that I was so young to decide these kinds of things. But life taught me the lessons very earlier, and I'm very thankful to God that I learned the lessons very earlier in life, and I came to know that the money is the thing which I need to make, and that's my end goal. So I should do this. So because the goal was clear that I need to make money, my actions was clear. So this was all happened because of the mindset. The make money online thing was not there, internet was not there at that time. No Facebook was there, no, I'm talking about 2005, and at that time no Facebook was there, no YouTube was there. I think Google was there, but very few people were using. When I first made my email account, that was on Hotmail or MSN and Yahoo. So these things were happening a lot that days. Even the Google was not there. Google would be there, but very less amount of people knew about it at that time. So this is all about the correct mindset. Because I had the correct mindset, because I had that clear goals that I need to make money online. I need to make, sorry, I had clear goals that I need to make money. And for that, I had a plan in that age of 17, that if I need to make money, I need, because I belong to from a poor family, and my father could not afford. My father can afford very well my education, but he could not afford to invest in my businesses. And to start any kind of business, it's always a test thing. And when you are going to test, you should have good amount of money to invest, because you are testing it out. Every business, whenever you are starting a business, it's a kind of test. So if you are going to do some kind of test, you must have plenty of money. But my father has a very limited amount of money. He could only afford my education. He could not afford my these games and plans and strategies and things like that. But I had belief in myself. I just wanted to do some jobs, have money, because I did not have any dependence on me. I did not I wasn't required to feed my family. I wasn't married, of course. I was so young at that time, so I did not have any responsibilities. I was just making money to save the money, and to pay off my commute bills and things like this. And that was all my personal expenses. That was all what I had to bear, because I was doing job, and rest of the money would be saving. But I was making really low amount of money. If I could tell you in dollars, so it was like I did not made a dime in my first month. Even my father pay me for money for my commute and my expenses for the first month. And after second month, you could consider it second month, they paid me $10 in US dollar. I would say that they just give me $10, and that was the whole salary of that month, because they were pretending that they are doing this favor to me, that they are teaching me, where they were not teaching me anything else. They were just misusing me, because I had no idea what I'm doing. And this job world and this professional things was new for me, and I was 17 years old kid. So they just misused me and used me in the outdoor works, and sent me here and there, and just fulfill all the pune type of jobs for me, requirements from me. And I used to make tea for them also. So they just misused me, did not pay me, did not teach me anything. But I learned the lesson, that because of that lesson, the lesson of this life, the second job I got paid me a lot better than the first job. And then later I switched to other job, and things happened like this. After years passed, and things happened like this. And I learned from my life. I made the money, I saved the money, and after many years, I could save that much amount of money that I could start my own design agency. And I started my own design agency, and I got clients, the foreign clients, international clients from different countries. And I used to design, me and my team, we used to design website and other graphic stuff for them. So that all happened because I had a correct mindset. All you need is a correct mindset. I have understand this, and I have noticed it, that most of the people I meet, the students I have, the relatives, the friends, the people of my age, the people of who are at the age of 10th grade, or they are 16 or going to be 18 or things like that. That age is people, even today, or even at that day when I was starting my career in 2005, or even in today 2020, people are having the same mindset. They think that it's just 10th grade, we are just kids now. And then they start passing, they do 12th grade, pass 12th grade, which we call FSC here. And then they pass graduation, and things start moving like this. And they do the MBA or or BSc or MSc or things like this, or these kind of educations. But please think about it and try to understand what I'm going to say now. because of the wrong mindset. They do not have any kind of mindset. What they think that we are just kids and we have father who is bearing our bills, and he uses my father will be bearing the bills, and I will just complete my studies. I will complete the masters, I will complete the graduation, and then I will find a job. It's not that easy. I am owning multiple businesses and I do lots of interviews. People come to me with double MA, with the degree of double MA, with MPhil, with masters in economics, and they come to me for 10,000 a month salary. I am not talking about US dollars. Let me transfer the thing in US dollar. So people, this kind of people want to work 10 hours a day, and they are asking for in US dollars it's like 70-80 bucks. It's they are asking 70-80 bucks a month salary, and this is the amount they are going to they are asking me. All they are asking me, because I know that I can the work I require is kind of data entry work. I am involving in different businesses, and this video is not about my businesses and what kind of businesses I am doing. This video is about the mindset. So I just need a person who have done metric, who have done 10th grade, past 10th grade, and knows a little bit English, and he can do my job. So this kind of person, 70-80 bucks a month with a place where I live is enough for him. But what I get people who have done MPhil and economics and things like that, and they are coming to me. I feel really bad. I think that they have lots of knowledge, they have more education than me, and they are asking me to hire them. Why? Because they did not have the clear goals while they were starting. They were thinking things will happen, we will get jobs. It's not easy to get jobs. There are lots of people passing out every year, but the jobs are not even the 10 or 5% to fulfill their needs. So what happened, most of my friends who were doing the engineering, who were doing the different stuff and different learnings at that time, and they were doing the courses, and what happened later after I guess 2005, and it has been 15 years since I passed my 10th grade. So these friends now, they have kids, families, wives, and they have proper life right now. I mean, they have a proper family life now right now. So these all people started very late than me, and they are still struggling in their lives. They are still struggling to fulfill the needs of their family because of the mindset, the wrong mindset they had. They had this kind of mindset that we will complete our studies and we will find a job. This is completely wrong mindset. See, no one is going to help you. You are the person who need to help yourself. No one else is going to help you. It is you who will be helping you. That was me who helped myself. No one else helped me. Today I have many mentors, and I paid them, and they taught me different businesses. I used to learn new stuff, and I'm used to learning new things and starting new business and making it automated, and this is kind of my hobby now. But the thing is, when I started and when I really needed help, there was no one, there was no YouTube, no Facebook, no anything who could help me. I helped myself. In that circumstances, I have helped myself. So why can't you? You can do this. You can do whatever you want. You need to change your mindset and make a correct mindset. Okay, so that's all for now. I think I have given you a lots of stuff and a lots of value, and please comment below and let me know what you think about this video and what kind of stuff you are looking for. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss any other video from me, and you get the notification right when you get it. One more thing is here, that people did not do this thing for me, and I'm not blaming anyone, but I can do this for you. So I am doing a 30-minute strategy call. I usually charge $300 for this 30-minute strategy call, but I am doing it for free, but for limited number of people, only 50 people. I will just do this for 50 people, and then I will close this slot. So you can find the link of this strategy call in the description. fill out that, click on this link, and then do the steps what that link asks you to do, and then join me on Skype or WhatsApp me, and then connect with me, and then I will tell you. If you are interested to know how to make money online, I will just help you, and I will start teaching you for free. I'm not going to charge you any money, and I will even design stuff for you, as I already have stuff for each and everything. So I will even get your website design and things like that, if that is required. But my coaching is free. I'm not going to charge you money. I'm doing this favor to you, and I'm not asking any return at this moment. What I am asking, that you need to think that it's a business. It's not something that you will just enter your email and get the free ebook, free course. No, it's one-on-one coaching. I will be personally teaching you. So you need to be dedicated for this. And I forgot what I was saying. Yeah. And you need to buy few stuffs online, few softwares, because it is a requirement. It's a business, and business requires investments. This is a clear formula. So this is a business thing. This is not some push button thing. If you want to make money here, you need to invest. You need to buy different things. You need to buy hosting, domains, things like that. So you need to have some kind of money. And if you do not have any kind of money at this moment, go save, do some kind of job. Do the job at McDonald's, at KFC, and things like that, at petrol pump, wherever you want. Do job, save money, then come to me, and then we will do the online business thing, and I will be guiding you free. You will be investing your money in buying the different stuff, like hosting and different stuff. You won't be paying me, okay? But this is very limited time opportunity, so you need to act fast, okay? I hope I have added some value to you, and talk to you real soon.